Hello everyone, this is Alejandra Gomez and I am featuring another another item for my craft fair. And so for this time I didn't come up with this by myself. I actually saw something from Pinterest, and this is from Raquel, which is the lady in her stamps. And so I was looking for something to do for the pencils, you know, like these type of pencils that you find at the stores for $1 or so. So I'm gonna be doing something for this one. So anyhow, I literally just went into Pinterest and put on the search. What is this? Pencil holder, paper crafter or something like that, and it gave me her video. So I'm following exactly what she said. This is she made it for Halloween. I'm doing this for something else since I don't have since I have this one that has little flowers, so I'm doing it for some other occasion, not really for Halloween, and it's not really Christmassy. I couldn't find any pencils for Christmas. Can you believe that? So anyway, this piece is 3.5 by 5, so it's pretty cool because out of one sheet you get 4 of these cases. And so you're going to be scoring at half an inch, half an inch, and then you're going to be doing at 3/4, and then you're going to be doing at 2 inches and 2 1/4. Then you're going to so again it's a half, 3/4, 2 and 2 1/4. Then you're going to be folding it and you're going to be doing at 1/4, and that's all you need to do. Like I said, it's really easy. So this is one of my favorite type of projects because these are really easy. So the first thing you're going to be doing is you're going to be folding it with your bone folder. So all the what is this? All the all the folds are crisp, and you know what? I probably need okay, we'll go from there because I am missing my, okay, never mind, we'll use this tape because I don't have my, for whatever reason I don't have my snail here. But anyhow, so we're gonna be using this piece, which is one of the papers that we have on the Daisy's Design Series paper. And if you haven't seen that one, it is this one, which was in that promotion back in October. So really nice paper. And this one is called Delightful Daisy. So again, I'm trying to do it since I have all these flowers. Then I'm going to be using the turn tape, and let's just go ahead and cut. You know what, I'm going to cut here and here and then here and here, and this little section you're going to take away. You don't need that one. And then as always, I'm trying to do little notches here. It always helps doing that when you're doing this, especially for folding. So alright, then I'm going to be taking this one, and I would have used my fast fuse, but anyway, let's just use the tear tape, and let's just take a little bit more and let's put it on this section. Okay. Alright. Now another reason I said is because my fast fuse kind of broke here, just like as I was doing this video. So let me just, and I couldn't find my other one, so just bear with me because I know I have to use it, but this kind of broke down on me, so bear with me right now. I don't know what I was doing yesterday and I kind of broke it. But I don't want to throw it away because it still works. It's just the refill, I don't know. I did something to it and it wasn't good. I'm just going to leave it at that. So anyway, so the way this goes is going to be like this. I'm going to be putting my design series paper. And I don't know that I said that, but this is 4.5 by 1. And so I'm going to be putting it here. And so now let's just take everything out. Alright. Well, let's just do one piece at a time. So I'm going to fold it here and I'm just going to go ahead. And a lot of the times I do kind of rub it again just to make sure that it does, like the adhesive is really in place and doesn't go out, you know, like doesn't loose. And then we're going to be folding those little ones. Can you see it? It's just going to remove this piece of backing here. And let's just close it shut. Oh, hold on. Okay, there we go. Alright, so now it's there. So the next thing is I'm going to be using one of the 2x8 bags that we have. Well, since I'm doing a lot, I'm just going to leave one. And we're going to be putting my 3 pencils. So I think like these were kind of perfect because it has the little flowers too. So I'm going to be putting it on my box and then on the bag. I mean, just like that, it looks gorgeous, really. So then I'm going to be using the, what is this? Crinkle seam binding ribbon. And let's just do a nice bow. Oh, I always do this wrong. So I'm going to be doing a bow here. So you're going to pull. And let's just do a bow. And I apologize, like always, with the lighting. It's not that early in the day, so. And then, this is why I always like doing it from the spool, because you can't really play with this. I never have to figure out how much do I have to cut the ribbon. I just play with it until I like it. I can pull to have bigger or smaller, so I always like that when I am doing those. So anyway, then I'm going to be just cutting, and you can see that's all you're really wasting. And like that, right? Now, just going to have it this way. The next thing is that I'm going to be using these this is stamps, a jar of love, and really just because I want this for you. And I'm going to be taking a scrap of paper, and I'm going to be using this one and the Night of Navy, and we're going to be stamping the For You, and I'm going to be cutting it like so, because I only want to have like a little flag. You know me, I always have those flags in every project. By now you know what's coming with me. And then I'm going to be using, and I always forget the name of this punch, and I don't want to really, but anyhow, I'm just going to take Here's another scrap of paper, and I'm just gonna take, and actually I just need this much. I don't need that, the whole thing. I only need this much. So, and let me just tell you what the name is, because it seems like every single time I forget. It's not one of my, it's one of my classic label. It's one of my newest punches, so clearly I don't remember ever the name. I'm sure that later on I will remember it, but not for now. So anyhow, so we're gonna be doing the flag again. And the only reason I want it that way, because then I can put it like so. So I'm gonna be using a glue dot here and putting it, oh my goodness, like so. Like so. And then I'm gonna be putting another glue dot here. And I'm gonna be putting it right there. It's just kind of hidden. Okay. And then, just to finalize, there you go. That's why I wanted to have the point, because then you cannot hide it. And then what I'm going to be doing is I'm going to be using, of course, some bling. So, let's just take this one. And you know what? Let's just one of these. Oh, and let me tell you. Oh, here it is. Ooh. And let me tell you one thing that I thought it was really cool. You can, this is the clear faceted gem. You can also color these ones with, what is this? With the Sharpies. And I think you can now use also the new stamping blends. But anyhow, I did Sharpies on this one, and I haven't completed this other project. But it's gonna go like in here. This is something that I'm going to be assembling later. Don't you think it looks really nice? You can have the center of your flowers in any color. So that was exciting. So anyway, this is a different project that I am working on for a craft fair. But anyhow, this is it for today. You can see here is one more that I just did. And now this one, and I'm gonna be doing lots of them because I got a lot of these pencils, and these were like the whole thing was $1, you know. It came 6 of them, so I think that it will be really nice to have at my craft fair. You know, it will be really cute. I really wish I had them in the Christmas or maybe like fall themes, but there was nothing in the store. So anyhow, one last thing before I finish this is I am doing. This is the last week to sign up for the fundraiser that I'm doing for the Little Dallas. And if you haven't heard about it, I'll put in the description the link to her story. But it's for the daughter of one of the teachers at my Oliver's daycare, and she's the sweetest lady. And so anyhow, she just recently had a little baby girl, and she's still in the hospital. I think she's finally go home after, I think she's gonna be almost 3 months now, and so she's finally going home. But there's going to be a lot of, I mean, it's gonna be a lot of changes there too. So anyhow, I wanna help them, and so I'm organizing this fundraiser where you can come, if you're local to me, you can come and do all these 4 cards, which are all Christmas related, at Frisco in the Madeleine. Now, if you're not close to me, you can still participate by signing up, and I'll make the cards and mail them to you. So please, please, please help me with this. I really want to help this teacher. She is the sweetest person that I've known on that school. I mean, she always loved all the kids, and I mean, she was awesome with my little Oliver. So anyhow, I'll put all the information also in the description. If you like my videos, always do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I mean, they are really, I always do a lot of fun projects, mainly cards, but I've been doing a lot more for craft fairs too. So join my channel. Click, or yeah, join my subscribe to my channel, I should say. Also, I do have an email where I send news and classes and whatnot, and so also subscribe to my mail. There, I know that anytime you subscribe, I'll send 5 tutorials for 5 cards. And also I do a Facebook Live every Thursday, so if you want to join me there, that will be awesome. It's every Thursday, 7 p.m. on my Facebook page, and I'll have all the information there. But the page is creating with Ali, and also my blog is creating with Ali.com. So anyhow, I'll put all the information there, and thank you so much for joining me, and I hope you like it. Bye.